I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited.
Advantage siya, hindi siya perform ng araw. Nagpo-procrastinate tayo. Kasi hindi natin kilala kung sino tayo eh. Kapag hindi mo kasi kilala yung sarili mo, mas papahalagahan mo ang pahinga. Isa ito para yung gusto.
Invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop a phone, pop a phone me. Turn around.
Hindi mo po. Kung magkakamali ka, dahil ang perspective na ng failure ay ownership. Una, mali ko to, paano ko ayusin. And also, then I ask the upper management na magkaroon ng psychological safety. Kasi ngayon, may mga mental health na
And drop it for a plan, drop it for me.
Hi Coach, thank you for the opportunity to have with the team, and as an HR practitioner, we are glad na na-encounter namin kayo in person, and for all your sharings with your expertise, for our leaders to develop their leadership skills and also to learn yung lahat nung nandun sa 7 Habits of Effective People. And we're looking forward for a more trainings with your team. Very thankful for the opportunity that we are able to experience your expertise. Thank you.
Laugh and learn with Coach Vinci.